Funhouse active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lit, yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down, I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm getting wild, young nigga got a fetish for success, if I ain't next and I just leave impression, next to rain on the window pane, puffy plain Jane, let them second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the porcelain skin.
Hey everyone, it's Brandy, and it's been a long time coming, but I'm back, and I'm back with a new review. This review is something different. Right here is the Chanel. What is it? Chanel what? Can anyone guess? Okay. So let me take this off, right? So I'm gonna take it off, and oh, I can smell it already. This right here is the All Around Summer fragrance, the F&F fragrance. Y'all. So I smelled this before I even unwrapped it. This is the Chanel Essence fragrance, and you know, if you go to like Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret, those kind of things, nothing wrong with those selections, but all you need is, oh my God. Ooh, this smells so good. Here I go to one of those stores that I had just stated, and you know, they have some good sales. 2 for whatever, 3 buy 4, whatever. It's cool, but try this and your life will change. This perfume will run you roughly less than $200. It's really good for like a date night, a wedding, you know, one of those events where you are dressed up, you know, nice and either professional or, you know, the sexy kind of thing. So you have alternatives, or if you want to wear it day to day, do it. So crazily, I was at Best Buy. My AirPods, I lost like my second or third pair, and the salesman, he smelled really, really nice. I'm like, what do you have on? And he was like, oh, I'm wearing Chanel. I can't remember which one, but I love their fragrances. Men or women, their fragrances are top of the line. Definitely a 10 out of 10. There are some other Chanel women's fragrances, if I'm not mistaken, number 5. I'm not really too fond of, more so because it gives off, my opinion is it gives off more of a scent that seems, I wouldn't say musky, but it's pretty strong. I feel like maybe as, you know, I would age, it would probably be a good fit, but I would pass. I definitely recommend trying this out, getting it for a father, a friend, a partner, mate, girlfriend, whatever. Try it out. It's definitely going to step your fragrance game up. Try other designers, or even, you know, other brands. It works for me. I definitely hope that you guys like the video. So I will keep you updated, posted with all of my life hacks, tutorials, unboxing. I have some daily content that is coming. Go ahead and subscribe, click that button, like, comment, and share, and stay tuned.